The world we see with our eyes is no longer the only world that matters. For decades, humanity has dreamed of an escape hatch from physical reality, a doorway into a digital universe where the laws of physics are optional, where distance is irrelevant, and where your imagination is the only actual boundary. We watched science fiction movies, read cyberpunk novels, and waited for the technology to finally catch up to our imagination. That wait is officially over. The launch of the Meta Quest 4 marks the exact moment where the boundary between the physical and the virtual completely dissolved. This is not just a gaming headset. This is not a minor iteration of an existing product line. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Meta Quest 4 represents a profound, terrifying, and exhilarating leap forward in spatial computing that will fundamentally reshape how human beings work, play, communicate, and perceive existence itself. To truly comprehend why the Meta Quest 4 is sending shockwaves through the global tech industry, we have to look past the corporate marketing scripts and look at the raw human experience. When you put on previous generation headsets, you were always acutely aware that you were wearing a screen on your face. You saw the individual pixels, a subtle screen door effect that reminded your brain that you were looking at a digital illusion. You felt the physical weight pulling down on your neck. You noticed the slight lag when you turned your head too fast, causing a momentary disconnect between your inner ear and your eyes. The Meta Quest 4 systematically destroys every single one of those technological limitations. It is an engineering masterpiece designed to completely fool the human nervous system into accepting a digital environment as absolute truth. Let us begin with the optical breakthrough, because the way we look at the virtual world defines how we feel within it. The Meta Quest 4 introduces a proprietary, hyperdense micro-OLED display system paired with advanced pancake optics that redefine visual clarity. We are talking about a resolution so incredibly high that the human eye can no longer discern individual pixels, even under intense scrutiny. The pixel density matches the limits of human retinal vision. When you look at an object in Quest 4, whether it is a grain of sand on a virtual beach or a line of tiny text on a floating spreadsheet, it appears with the absolute, razor-sharp clarity of physical reality. The contrast ratios are astronomical, delivering pure, ink-like blacks and vibrant, lifelike colors that pop with breathtaking intensity. It breaks the old paradigm where virtual environments looked flat and cartoonish. Now, the lighting, shadows, and textures possess a physical weight that commands your brain's absolute belief. But visual clarity is only half the battle. If the virtual world does not move at the speed of reality, the illusion shatters instantly. The Meta Quest 4 features an ultra-low latency tracking engine coupled with an incredibly high refresh rate that mirrors the real-world processing speed of the human brain. When you turn your head, the digital environment responds with zero perceptible delay. There is no motion blur, no ghosting, and no spatial desynchronization. Your brain instantly accepts the movement as natural, completely eliminating the motion sickness and visual fatigue that plagued earlier eras of virtual reality. It creates a state of perfect visual immersion, allowing you to spend hours exploring complex virtual worlds with total comfort and ease. This visual triumph is driven by an unprecedented partnership between hardware and silicon. Deep within the lightweight chassis of the Meta Quest 4 lies a next-generation Qualcomm Snapdragon XR processor, built on a cutting-edge architecture engineered specifically for heavy spatial computing and advanced artificial intelligence workloads. This silicon engine is an absolute powerhouse, capable of processing billions